Hi everyone. Now we are going to talk about reflection of light by using Huygens principle. Okay, so we all know what is Huygens principle, and the postulates of Huygens principle, and what are the limitations of Huygens principle. Everything we discussed already. So let's see how law of reflection, especially angle I is equal to angle R, which we studied already in our ray optics, how we can prove by using Huygens principle. Okay, so here I already gave. You can mark those letters actually. So you can see that. Look at this here. LA is actually an incident wavelet, and MB is also an incident wavelet. You can see that. So those are the incident waves. And here also I gave like a central one. This is the direction of propagation. So the thing is, here AB is actually a wavefront. What wavefront is that? This is incident wavefront. Incident wavefront. So that is an incident wavefront. In the same way, look at this. This is the incident ray. This is another incident ray. And those are actually connecting a perpendicular, because you know that wavefront is always perpendicular to what? The direction of propagation. Direction of propagation, this direction. And the wavefront, this one. So they are perpendicular. No doubt. No doubt. Okay. Similar to that, after the incidence, what is NA actually? What is NA? NA is nothing but this is normal. NA is nothing but normal at the point of incidence. I can draw here also. N dash B dash is also normal. NA is also normal. N dash B dash is also normal. And after incidence, they are reflecting. You can see that AL dash. This is a reflected ray wavelet, and this is also M B dash, or B dash M is also reflected. So the direction of propagation is given, and you can draw a perpendicular to this point. You can see that perpendicular, and B dash A dash. What is that? That is nothing but, this is nothing but reflected wavefront. Reflected wavefront. So which is very clear that, so I'm going to write it over here. So which is very clear that is this incident wavefront is there, reflected wavefront is there. Now we are going to talk about how laws of reflection works by using Huygens principle. So you can see that it's very easy. This angle is equal to angle I. Angle I is there, and if that is angle I, you can see that this angle is also I. Okay, why? Because this is going to be 90 minus I, and this will be I. So in the same way, so I can consider this triangle, and this is nothing but I. In the same way, if this angle is R, then how much is this angle? You can see that how much will be this angle? That is 90 minus I. So if that, 90 minus R. This is 90 minus R. I'll write it over there. This is 90 minus R. And then how much will be this angle? That is R. So I am considering two triangles AB B dash and the triangle A dash B dash. So I am considering the triangles A dash B and B dash. A dash B dash, A dash B dash, and B dash. Let me show you once again. This triangle and this triangle. So those two triangles are actually, we have to analyze them. So one thing, it is very clear that here this angle from the triangles, this angle and this angle both are equal. So number one, that is angle B dash is equal to angle A dash B dash. Why? Both of them are 90-degree angles. Theta is equal to 90 degree. And then the second one, look at the second one. You can see the second one. If those two are angle equal, AB dash is actually, the side AB dash is equal to AB dash. Why? Because it's a common side. It's a common side of this triangle. So that is also very clear. Now what you can say, you can understand that very clearly. You can understand that when the first wave, look at this, when the first wave reaches here, the second wave just reaches here only, wavelength. So basically, how much this person is traveled, or how much, I don't consider it as a person, but you just consider this ray, this light has traveled this much. In the meantime, this light, the second light, traveled this much. Look at this. When the light, first one, LA reaches here, MB is here only. Then after A starts, this LA starts reflecting, and it is going like this AA dash, and at that time it will be here. So again from here they are actually going together. So till that point they are actually traveling the equal distance, which means from the triangle, so it is very clear from the diagram, you can say from the diagram side, which side, that is AA dash will be equal to, what is AA dash, that is equal to BB dash, which is very clear. Equal distance traveled in the equal interval of time. That is the thing. Now my question is, look at this. If two sides are equal and one angle is equal, then automatically they are equal. Automatically what will happen? The other side is equal, and this is angle I and this is angle R. They are also equal. So now I can write, then the fourth one, then the automatically this side is equal to that side. So which means these triangles, these two triangles are congruent triangles. These two triangles are congruent triangles. So corresponding angles are equal, which means angle I is equal to angle R. There is no doubt in that. Angle I should be equal to angle R in order to make this is correct. So what was angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection? That is law of reflection. It's very easy idea. So I hope you understood the idea of law of reflection. It is very easy, and all of you just go through it once again, and then you will get it. Okay, thank you.